patching some metal on this 2003 Chevy Duramax. So first thing that was done was all the rust spots were cut out, keeping solid parts like the corner here as a guide, then cleaning all that up around the edges. After that, I measured the length of the piece that I would need and the height, and cut a rectangle out of a steel sheet here. Then after that, this piece of metal was slipped underneath, which went up to here and there. And then I traced out all the sections where it had to be cut, trimmed that, and then tacked all the flat edges in place. And then I have the Fender flare, which has the curve of the wheel well, and I'll put this in place, line it here at this corner and down here by the front door, and then trace where it has to be cut. Then I'll slowly bend and push this out here so it kind of has the contour of this part of the fender, and trim this little piece and that piece so it fits, and then slowly tack weld and weld this solid. And then after that, it can be ground down with the grinder. And then you have a solid sheet panel. You could use thicker, but if you use thicker, it's harder to bend, harder to work with. So this is a good thickness. And welding it slowly is something you want to do, or else it'll start to bend and warp with the heat. Too much heat.